Hey there traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Blackwood Forex. And so today we will analyze over the pair for the upcoming week. It's a Sunday holiday, and from Monday market will be open and start moving. So let's go and start the video for the upcoming. Let's go and start the analysis for the upcoming week for GBPUSD. So if you will see, currently GBPUSD is in a strong downtrend and the price is still making higher, lower low, and the momentum of the GBPUSD is still in a downtrend from October to January 10. Market is still moving to the downside momentum. Market is moving in a downside momentum, and we have to look for the trade setup for the upcoming week. So if you see that how the price is breaking their support every week, price break support and create a new support. So it means that price is breaking the support level, the demand zone, and creating a new supply zone for the upcoming. This is our support which break previous week. This is a support which is also break this week, and this is another support which is break on Friday during the NFP. It means that the price is a very strong with bearish moving with the bearish momentum from a previous 3 months. So we have to look for another opportunity for the GBPUSD in a downside. So I will wait for a price that will retrace to our supply, where we will look for the short opportunity for the upcoming week. As we know that however price is unable to break the resistance, so I will wait for a price to retreat, to pull back towards supply zone on GBPUSD. So this is our supply 1 and this is my supply 2 for the upcoming week. But if the price is unable to react to supply 1, I have to wait for a price to retrace to another supply zone, where I will look for the short opportunity for GBPUSD toward the support level. For the current support level of GBPUSD, that I will wait for a price to retrace to our supply, and I look for the confirmation on the supply zone for the bearish continuation. So if the price is react to our supply zone and price shows some strength rejection at the supply zone, so I will look another short opportunity on GBPUSD, as this is our trend line, and you see that how the price is making lower low every time price break the demand zone, the support and create a new resistance and new supply on GBPUSD. So it means that GBPUSD is moving with the strong bearish momentum from a past 3 months. So this is our scenario for GBPUSD for buy. The alternative setup, like for buy zone, that if the price break the supply and close above the supply zone, so it means that the price is showing some strength again. That pound is showing strength against the dollar, and the price and the seller is and the buyer is dominant over the seller. So I have to look for the buy opportunity. But if the price break above the supply, and whenever the price break out, this is a bearish trend line, and whenever the price break this supply zone, so it means I will wait for a price that the price will move toward demands, where I will look for the buy opportunity on GBPUSD. So this is our analysis for the GBPUSD for the upcoming weeks, that if the price react, we have a supply zone. If the price react show a strong rejection over at the supply zone, we will look for the short opportunity. And as you know that we follow the trend, so the trend is still in a downtrend, so you have to look for the sale opportunity. However, if the price break the supply zone, then you wait for a price to to pull back towards to pull back to a demand, and look for the buy of trade setup. If you like this video, make sure you can subscribe to my channel.